All right, so welcome again to MG Sports Media. Thank you very much for joining me again. We're going to discuss Leon Bailey. Why are we going to discuss Leon Bailey? Now, recent occurrences, definitely, it seems as if Steven Gerrard is not using Leon Bailey to his best ability, says his manager slash agent slash father, Craig Butler. He had a long statement stating about how to utilize Leon Bailey and what's best for Leon Bailey. Other than that, there are big rumors are coming out from down in the Eredivisie stating that Leon Bailey could be the option to replace Anthony, who is on his way to Manchester United. Big news. We're going to get into the details of that. We're going to look into what Leon Bailey's agent also said. And we're going to look at one of Leon Bailey's most recent statements with Aston Villa. Guys, smash the like button. If you're here for the first time, please do hit that subscribe button as well. And let's get this show going. Let us boom. Alright, so no. Hit the like button, yeah? So let's get straight to it, people. So this is Twitter. As you guys can see, for those who don't know Twitter, I think one of the fastest news network out there right now. One of all information passed through Twitter in a rapid pace before it actually hits anywhere else. Things tend to go viral on Twitter quite fast. Something like, I would say, maybe TikTok, very viral fast. All right, so that's football, as you guys know. They normally do global football and reporting. Let's look at the decision. Aston Villa Leon Bailey is an option for Ajax. The player wants to leave and would like to join Ajax, but remains to be seen if Villa will let him go this late into the transfer window. Now, I am not sure if Leon Bailey actually wants to leave. I am not sure about that, but we'll see how that one goes. World Soccer Talk. No, I'm not sure about World Soccer Talk. I haven't done it, but anyway, let's read what they said. Why did Steven Gerrard sign Leon Bailey if he's hardly going to play him for Aston Villa? And why did Bailey sign for Villa? Frustrating, such a talent that is being wasted right now. And the transfer hub also state, they also quote where the information is coming from directly. Leon Bailey is a serious option for Ajax, with the winger wanting to leave Aston Villa and wants to move to the Dutch club. However, it seems that it's down to Aston Villa to see if they will allow him to leave this late in the window. Now, the fans are going mad. So this is, let's go now to the Ajax, one of the most credible Ajax reporting website. That is AFC Ajax, the European lad. Just in, Leon Bailey is a serious option. The player himself wants to leave Aston Villa and would like to join Ajax, but it remains to be seen whether Aston Villa would let him leave so late in the transfer window. Now, all of these talks in regards to the player wanting to leave, I am not really sure about that. Honestly, I'm not sure about that because in recent times, let me see. In recent time, he did an interview stating how good he felt at Aston Villa. Let me see if I can find the interview, you guys. That there is the agent Leon Bailey, agent Craig Butler. That is the statement. But I want to get to the statement. This is a statement that was actually 2 days ago or a day ago. From failure, you can take lessons. I've done my homework, my research, and everything I need to do to make sure that this season I dominate the way I know that I can. I want to help the team as much as possible. And I personally think that these are genuine words from Leon Bailey. Truly genuine words from Leon Bailey. Now, it remains to be seen. I'm still not, I think the whole issue of Leon Bailey wanting to leave, that is coming from, I think that is coming from what Craig Butler said, and that might stem some fire. Maybe they're saying 1 + 1 = 2. So the agent is saying this, and the agent speaks for the player. So more than likely, the player is thinking the same way. So that could be the thought frame why they would believe that Leon Bailey wants the move. But nonetheless, the agent is looking out for his player's best interest, which is what all agents do. This is what he said. Leon Bailey is a winger first. Any other position played is because he has been trained to play anywhere. But he is a winger first, and the potential to be the best in the world runs through his every move. If Villa doesn't want him, let him move to a club that will play him and utilize his special tools. Now, this is what I said. So with him saying if Villa doesn't want him, It's basically saying that because you're not giving enough game time, you say you want the player, you purchase the player, but you're still not utilizing the player. So do you really, really want him? So it's questioning, do you really, really want this player? And guess what? Are you utilizing this player to his best ability for it to get the maximum out of him? No. Scores almost every game, has the highest stats and ratings from statisticians. He wants to deliver for the Villa, but can he do so from the bench? Which is true. It didn't go to England for this. And I agree. I totally agree. It looks really bad when you see Aston Villa struggling against a team and they have the likes of Liam Bailey on the bench. It looks really, really bad. And I think that the fan base is really catching up on what's going on, and they are really, really giving it to Gerrard. They are 100% hammering Gerrard. Gerrard for it. I almost said, Gerrard for it. So let's go to where the article, the news first broke out from is it Mike Verwish or Verway? I can't pronounce that name, so I'm just gonna say Mike. It could be Mickey, but I'm gonna say Mike. Let me see if I can find the article which this arrived from, where all the talks are coming from. Trying to find the article, people, but they tag him, so I'm assuming that he's the first person who brought up this news. So he's speaking about it. He's actually very close to the Anthony deal. So maybe he's getting some inside information that no one has at hand. Alright, so I'm not seeing it. Maybe it could be in one of those articles, but I don't really want to get into any one of those articles. Actually, I don't necessarily want to do that. But this is what he said. But basically, this is what he quoted in one of those articles that he read, that Liam Bailey is a serious option. They are considering Liam Bailey. Now, would you look at this? They want a replacement for $100 million player. £100 million is it pound? Euros. €100 million player. And they are looking at Liam Bailey as that replacement. Aston Villa have that replacement on their bench. Aston Villa has that player on their bench, who Ajax is key. And guess what now? Guess what about it? This is the funny thing. If Liam Bailey should make the move to Ajax, that's Champions League football, and that is titles. So, for me personally, if he should make this move, this would be a goal man for Liam Bailey. That is sure Champions League, sure title, and big Champions League run. Yes, Ten Hag is not done there as well, but there's an infrastructure that is at Ajax that is properly put together in a sustainable manner for them to succeed. So either, it's a win-win. But definitely, Steven Gerrard is coming under a lot of pressure for what he's doing. And the squad that Steven Gerrard had, that squad, all of those players in Steven Gerrard's squad are players who top clubs right across the world were looking at. Liam Bailey, Buendia, all of these guys, Coutinho, all of these guys are top players he have in the squad. And they are massively underperforming. The squad is hugely underperforming. Can't continue like this. And you're not utilizing your players at best ability. He plays narrow. He has players who utilize width, but he plays a bit narrow. What are you doing? What are you really doing? But anyways, people, smash the like button. What's your thoughts? Tell me what your thoughts are. Go into the comment section. Tell me if you think this is a good move for Liam Bailey. Do you think that they're just saying it because of what the agent said? That Liam Bailey want this move because of what agent said? And these links are definitely true. These links are coming from the Ajax. They are considering Liam Bailey. But is it a case that they are now saying that Liam Bailey wants to move because of what the agent said? As you know, they said that the agent speaks for the player. People, go into the comment section. Tell me what your thoughts are, and we'll see how this one plays out. We'll be keeping close touch with this one. I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV, people. Smash that like button, people. Smash that like button. Would really appreciate it if you guys do so. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time, we're out. Boom. I think it's a good move. I think it's a good move if Lee and Billy go to the Eredivisie. Like button people, subscribe button, share the content, and turn on your notification. We're out.